Okay, guys, Mobile Geezer back, and I've got an emergency security update from Apple that just came out yesterday, so I thought I should get it to you right away. So let's go take a look at it on Tom's Guide.
Let's do this!
As I said, just came out yesterday. Apple just released an emergency security update for a flaw used in an extremely sophisticated attack. Update your devices right now. And I did my iPhone 15 Pro Max and my MacBook Air M1 last night, so I'm good. And this was written by Anthony Spadafora, of course. New WebKit 0-day impacts iPhone, iPad, Mac, and even Vision Pro. So let's drop it into Reader View. Apple has patched its third zero-day flaw of the year with a new emergency security update for iPhones, iPads, Macs, and its other devices. As reported by Bleeping Computer, the vulnerability, tracked as CVE 2025-24201, was discovered in the WebKit cross-platform browser engine used in Safari and many other of the company's apps across iOS, macOS, and its other platforms. The reason this particular zero-day stands out from the rest discovered this year is that it was reportedly used in an extremely sophisticated attack, according to a security bulletin put out by Apple. If exploited using maliciously crafted web content, this flaw could allow hackers to break out of WebKit's protective sandbox and access other parts of your iPhone or Mac's operating system. Here's everything you need to know about this new zero day, including which Apple devices are impacted, along with some tips and tricks on how you can keep your iPhone, Mac, iPad, and even your Vision Pro headset safe from hackers. Impacted Apple devices. Just like it usually does, Apple is holding back most of the details regarding this flaw, including who discovered it and which individuals were targeted in the extremely sophisticated attack that exploited it. The reason for this is that the company wants to give its customers plenty of time to patch their devices. Since this zero day was discovered in WebKit, the list of impacted devices is quite long, especially as both new and older Apple devices are vulnerable, including iPhone XS and later, Macs running Mac OS Sequoia, iPad Pro 13-inch, iPad Pro 12.9-inch, iPad Pro 11-inch, iPad 7th gen and later, iPad mini 5th gen and later, Apple Vision Pro. If you have any of these devices, and if you're an Apple user, chances are you do, you're going to want to download and install the company's latest emergency security update as soon as possible. Even though that extremely sophisticated attack likely targeted high-value individuals like CEOs and government officials, hackers usually start at the top and work their way down when it comes to using a zero-day like this in their attacks. How to keep your iPhone and Mac safe from hackers. Apple devices may be known for being safer than their Android and Windows counterparts, but now that they've become increasingly popular, hackers are going out of their way to target them. For this reason, you want to download and install any security updates that Apple releases as soon as they become available. Hackers love to go after low-hanging fruit, and in this case, that means users who haven't updated their devices yet, even though a patch is available. As for staying safe from hackers, practicing good cyber hygiene will only get you so far, which is why I recommend using one of the best Mac antivirus software solutions for extra protection. There's no iPhone equivalent to the best Android antivirus apps, but Intego's antivirus software for Mac can scan your iPhone or iPad for malware when connected to a Mac via USB cable. Just like Google and Microsoft do, Apple fixes a ton of new zero-day flaws each year. Last year, there were only 6 of them, but back in 2023, it patched a total of 20 zero days exploited in attacks. This is why it's of the utmost importance that you take the time to update your Apple devices when new security updates are released. So, just wanted to make sure I got that to you guys. And as I said, I updated my devices last night. Please update any of yours that need it right away. As always, comments are welcome. Thanks for watching. And remember, if you like my content, please share the videos with friends, family, or whomever you think might be interested. Subscribe if you haven't already done so, and be sure to click the notification bell so you don't miss any future videos that I upload. And please hit the thumbs up, as it does help with the algorithm.
So there's one other thing.
We all do better when we love each other.